Hi again. So this is going to be my other unboxing, and this came a while ago, and this is my 2018 Designer Mystery Block of the Month, and this is block 6, so we're halfway there. And this is the block for this month. It's called Sandcastles. I think I'm going to sign up for next year's Designer Mystery Block of the Month, because I really like the fabric that they're going to use next year. I'm not really a fan of all this muted colors, but I mean, I already signed up for this year, so I'm going to continue, but I really am looking forward to next year's. So anyway, here's 2018 Designer Mystery Block of the Month, Block 6, called Sandcastles, designed by Kate Spain. And it is, you know, I like it because it's a star. I like star shape. So, and it comes with all the fabrics that we need. And the nice thing is they actually give us more fabric than we need. This is always the focal point in the middle. So that's the consistency with all of these. But I like that they give us more. So there's lots of leftover fabric. So I haven't been keeping up with it. I have been cutting them out, but I haven't sewed them together or pieced them together yet. So I hopefully will be able to get caught up, and you know, by 12 months I'll have all the blocks done. Okay, thanks. I hope you guys enjoyed this. See you later. Bye.